Hey True Beauties, Heather here with today's True Beauty 21-day yoga challenge. So you guys, as you guys know, I'm obsessed with yoga because yoga has really had a very, very profound effect on my life, mind, body, and spirit. It is a huge part of our True Beauty movement of be balanced, be true, be you, physically, mentally, socially, spiritually, and emotionally. So remember, anyone at any level, any age can do yoga and feel those same effects. So we're gonna have lots of fun, juicy giveaways like what I have below here. So be sure to check out my story for every day's posture and also the detailed giveaways, and be sure to check out the image on my feed, you guys, on how to qualify. And until next time, be balanced, be true, and be proud to be you. See you later, guys. Hey True Beauties, Heather here. Today's 21-day yoga challenge continued. So today is 16, so day 16, posture 16. I'm so excited and I'm so proud of you guys who have made it all the way, so far. This is amazing. We're almost done, okay? So stick with it, bear with me, we're almost there. So you guys, we're gonna do Trikonasana today. This is triangle posture. All that we do, it's similar to like a little mini-me version of a warrior, okay? So we have the left foot forward, we have the right foot at a 45-degree angle, but it's a much smaller stance, almost like 2 to 3 feet in between your feet, okay? And then what we wanna do is still align the heels here, all right? Next, what we wanna do is act like there's 2 plates of glass, one in front and one behind. We want to move the hips out a little bit here, go forward, start there, okay? And try to have those shoulders be in alignment, and then start to bow down. So see where your hand falls. Sometimes if it falls on the chin or on the shin here, you can reach up towards the sky, stretching through the obliques, and then full expression. We're going all the way down. We have our fingertips in between the big toe, and then we're stacking the shoulders. You can look down at the ground here. You can look straight ahead. Okay, so I'm looking at all you True Beauties, or I can look up towards the sky, just depending on what I need that day, and then lift, use your core all the way up, and that is Trikonasana, or triangle posture. So today is day 17. I'm so proud of you. Keep on going strong. This is Ardha Chandrasana, which is half moon posture. A lot of people love this posture. A lot of people want to learn this posture. It's a little bit more advanced, but anyone can do it. Just take small steps. So here what we want to do is the left foot is forward. We have the back foot kind of like the big toe down, just so you have a really solid foundation. And then just reach down. So here I like to do a little micro bend in my front knee just to build my confidence, and then put my right hand on my right hip. Okay, and see if you want to lift off. Remember, you do not have to lift off. We're flexing the back foot. Notice I'm shaking a little bit. That is totally natural, you guys. So flex your back foot. You can open wide here. Remember, you can pause at any point. You do not have to go all the way. And the intention here is opening through the hips and also through the shoulders. And notice, if you fall out of it, it's not that big of a deal. You're supposed to have fun with yoga. So it does not have to be perfect. I'm so proud of you for just doing it. So today is Vrksasana, which is tree posture. One of the best postures out there. Love this for creating inner balance, okay? So I'm going to teach you here the beginner, intermediate, and more advanced. We're gonna wanna start with our feet together, okay? You can start at the very front of your mat or here in the middle, whatever you feel comfortable doing, on a blanket, whatever it is. And I want you first just to ground yourself, look down, and we're gonna start with the hands on the hips and just kind of let your big toe, kind of flatten out a little bit so you have your heel towards the inner ankle. So this is kind of like a step 1 here. Think of like a little bit more beginners. If you want to go a little bit more intermediate, micro bend to that left knee, and we're going to place the arch of the right foot, okay, kind of in that little soft area of the calf. We always want to avoid the yoga, or the knee rather, in yoga, because you don't want to, kind of hyperextend or kick your knee out. So you want to either be on the calf or up near the thigh in the inner groin area. So this is a little bit more intermediate, open wide through the knee. More advanced, you are going to, find my focus, find my drishti. So we're gonna have the foot near the inner groin area of the thigh, okay? Next step here, hands to heart center, widen through the knee. Inhale, if you choose to do so, reach out, branch wide with your tree here, reaching out, connecting with others, the way I'm connecting with you guys right now. Shoulders are down the spine. Full tree posture, you could choose to lift the gaze, whatever you wanna do, and then we slowly come out of it, and that is tree posture. Today is posture number 19. This is Navasana, also known as boat posture. I love this posture. I know a lot of you guys have loved this posture when I post it online. It is great for building a strong core. I use this a lot after having my daughter. So here what we're going to do is we're going to lean back kind of on like the base of our tailbone here, okay? And you can always place a blanket or anything underneath if you'd like to. And start by just building your confidence. Bring your toes up And you can just kind of find your balance here. Remember, one leg can always stay down if you're a beginner. Notice how my shoulders are back. I'm not kind of hunched over this way. Shoulders are back. Find your focus. Okay, and then we're going to slowly bring the hands out. Shoulders remain open here. So what we want to do is we want to open through the heart. Really, really start to use the core strength here. We want to have nice straight shins here, and you can kind of open up or whatever you want to do here. There's a lot of different variations, but this is one of my favorite variations. It's a little bit more intermediate, and then slowly start to come all the way out. You do not need to be doing sit-ups when you are doing Navasana posture. Today's posture is mermaid posture, and I even have my notes here, you guys, because the Sanskrit is so challenging for this. I had to have my notes. So this is also known as one-legged king pigeon, okay? And the Sanskrit, it is really long, so bear with me. It is Rajakapotasana. It's basically, you can Google it, it's really long, but it's a beautiful posture, and we like to call it mermaid. So here's what you're going to do, you guys. You're going to, so similar to pigeon posture, which is a posture you can always look up. It's a beautiful posture. It's a hip opener. We're going to have that left knee forward, and remember here, to protect that left knee, you always want to flex this foot. Very, very important. I cannot emphasize that enough. Whenever you do any type of hip opener like this with the knee forward, you need to flex this foot to protect your knee, okay? The entire time. You want to aim to have the knee in alignment with the hips. You can adjust accordingly here. And remember, for those of you guys that are more beginner or even intermediate, I would really suggest you sit on like a pillow or a blanket or anything like that, because you want to really focus on core strength here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to start to point the back feet. So here, you can face forward and start to just kind of build your confidence here, have your fingertips down, shoulders back, and this is beautiful. This is still a major workout. To make it a little bit more advanced, if that back knee's calling out to you, if you're in a hard service, put a blanket or something soft underneath that back knee. So here what we're going to do is we're going to grab onto the leg. This, again, a little bit more advanced, so listen to your body. I'm kind of putting it here in my inner elbow. And then what we're going to do is we're going to lift off. This is definitely going to more advanced, kind of intermediate, advanced territory. Reach back, and I always think, oh look, and even if you fall out, it's okay. So if you go back into it, okay, find your focus. Keep finding your focus. I always think of this as kind of like a moon. Okay, I'm sliding my hands down, lifting my chin, finding my focus, opening through the heart. Deep inhale. And exhale. If you fall right out, you're fine because you protected yourself every step of the way. That is really important, you guys. I love this posture because it's a wonderful hip opener. You're going to want to make sure that you balance both sides. So if you did one side, please make sure you do the other so that your hips feel really good and balanced. That's very important for your sense of self-confidence in your root chakra. Hi guys, so we made it, day 21 of my 21-day yoga challenge. Today we are doing Utkata Konasana. This is goddess posture, of course, for you true beauties out there. I am so proud of you guys. Remember, even if you didn't make it all the way, you are amazing and keep at it. Yoga can be tough, but it can also change your life, and you really can choose as challenging or as easy as you want it to be. So always remember that, even beyond this 21-day yoga challenge. I also wanted to really inspire you and bring you back to the sun salutations. So remember, you can do your sun salutation A or your sun salutation B and add any of these postures or other postures for a full yoga practice. You can also just do one posture and that can be your practice. So remember, anyone at any age, any level can do yoga. So the sun's kind of going down here, you guys, which is perfect for the sun salutations towards kind of the end of our challenge. I think that it's a beautiful theme. It's kind of all happening for a reason here. And so as we move into goddess posture, we're going to widen the legs, really strong in who we are as goddesses, as manifestors, really manifesting our best lives together, mind, body, and spirit, right? Physically, mentally, socially, spiritually, and emotionally. So what we want to do, we have those toes forward at first, and then start to open up the toes a little bit. And we are simply, you guys, just bending the knees, okay? What we want to do here is we want to make sure that we're balanced. So really make sure, you know, you want to have those, oh, and I just kind of fell off my balance a little bit because I didn't have a drishti. So make sure you have a focus or a drishti, okay? I'm going to look straight down and kind of just open up. You can kind of adjust. I would say about one leg distance apart is perfect, okay? Then we can open up into a hand mudra here. We're gonna bring our index finger to our thumb, and then go ahead and also bring your middle finger to your thumb, creating that internal balance and that internal strength. So here, find your focus, start to lower down so you have kind of a nice opening through the hip area. The hip flexors is going to build self-confidence. Open through the heart, find your focus. Deep inhale. There's a couple variations. Something I like to do. I bring my feet a little closer and I go up on my toes here. You've seen some pictures like this on my Instagram. And here, some with my daughter. Lift up, lifting your strength. Open wide through the hips. Lift your gaze. You can open the arms. The goal here, you guys, is we're really opening through the body. We're creating alignment in the body, and we're really being strong in who we are and solid so we can move forward with strength in our future yoga practice and as we manifest the life of our dreams. I was so excited to do this for you guys. I love doing this. I love connecting with you guys in this way. Like I said, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram for other challenges that I do in the future, whether it's a yoga challenge, whether it is like a beauty challenge or a makeup challenge that I'm doing. I have lots of fun ideas for you guys. And until next time, be balanced, be true, and be proud to be you. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching today's True Beauty Quick Tip. If you like what you see and for more confidence building tips on how to be a beauty from the inside out, remember to subscribe to our channel and connect with us at truebeautymovement.com. That's TRU without the E, Beauty Movement. Love you guys. Until next time, remember, be balanced, be true, and proud to be you.